All right, guys, another day, another time. Let's keep working, guys. Let's keep working, guys. Woo! Lots of work done. There you go. Alright, guys, so welcome back to another video. And for a second I almost forgot to record there for a second. You know, it's not that I forgot about you guys, it's just that it's a lot of work. So I came in this morning and I just went in, baby, went in. I just went into work. But so far this is what I got. And today I'm alone and just taking everything out the charger. That way I can get all the harness from front, back swapped over. I mean, I'm taking it from this vehicle and putting it here, but first I'm taking everything out from here and putting things back. Another thing that I want to point out, you know, I'm not so happy with the certain work that was done to my vehicle. Now that I opened up everything, you know, there's a lot of, not a lot, it's just a lot of things that I be thinking about, like, you know, as far as modding and shit, you know, it's certain things I cannot do myself, but if I could do it myself, I'll do it. For example, just like taking out the whole interior, you know, it's plugs, bolts, you know, it's like a puzzle. You know, I'm ready to take everything apart and put it back. But as far as, like, you know, installing certain things like music system, I don't like spaghetti work. So as you can see right here, I don't know, guys. All these cables that the installer for my head unit did, it's not acceptable. It's just spaghetti work. You know what I'm saying? Not good. Thank God I'm doing the whole swap. That's a lot of spaghetti work. So what I'm gonna do is, like, I'm not even gonna put that music system in. I'm gonna install the SRT8 screen infotainment system, and that way I also get all the SRT pages and all that, you know, all that good stuff. So I was thinking about, you know, leaving the music and everything, but you know what, I'm just really take everything from this stock 6.4 HEMI and putting it over to my custom charger, you know. And then if later on in the future, I think I'm gonna have to learn how to install my own music and all that, because I want everything to be as close to factory as possible. obviously, you know, the job is never the same when you work on your things yourself and then somebody working on your stuff. You know, be as it may, that's how it is. You know what I'm saying? But I'm not blaming nobody, but it's just certain things that, you know, I'm like, damn, it just could have been for an extra hour at most, or even 20 minutes. The job could have been done so much better. But a lot of installers, they just like, they care, you know, things work. But I think the cleanliness of how things are put in a vehicle matters. Who agrees with me? Come on, comment below. Anyway, let's get to this, guys. I got a lot to go. And I don't know about the trunk setup. I really don't know about the trunk setup. It's a beautiful trunk setup, but I hate to take it apart. But I think I'm gonna have to. Hold up, I'm gonna get the key right now. All right. Now this is a beautiful trunk setup, but I'm gonna feel bad taking it all apart. But I'm gonna have to, just to rewire everything correctly. My chasing tail lights, they're lovely, but I'm really thinking of giving myself something to do. You know what I'm saying? Like maybe take everything out and start all over. Make this into a stock SRT8, you know, and then start putting things all over again. And this time I'm gonna do everything, no matter how long it takes. You know what I'm saying? But like I said, I got a lot of things to do, guys. So let's get to work. You can't forget about that now.
Let's go, nigga. I gotta put quarters in the meter.
Bad.
Yo, you vlogging, son. This shit's crazy, son.
Yeah, right. By all right, it's hard work, but somebody has to do it. This is parts from both vehicles.
Essa,
By